The oranges, they're just a visual reference of where I'm taking. I just want to show you a little tip and trick that I've taught myself to do if you're editing a very long video. As you can see, this one is 40 long minutes. And if you're using CapCut and you want to insert a video cut along a long span of 20-minute video, and you're going to need a visual element of which to find that split or that cut. If you scroll back down this way, you'll see that I have inserted that's nothing relative to the video whatsoever. So basically, I just came out of CapCut. I went to Google orange. And I literally just chose any image of an orange. I took a screenshot like that. Then I edited the screenshot. I just cropped it down and did whatever I had to do. Now, talk about copyright. This is not necessary. You're not producing this. You're just using this as a visual element to find your place. Save that and go back to your CapCut, and you add your plus button and you insert your orange. Add. Like that. Now there, I just added 2 of them. I don't need to, so I'm going to delete that. I just showed you for instructional purposes. Okay, so I'm deleting that. So, and the reason why I do that is because there's a place in this video where I, at the very end, you can see I'm at 16 minutes in right there. And I want to go all the way almost to the end of the video, like 40 minutes, where I put videos that I already cut and edited that I want to insert here. That's a long way to go. So you see these are all green, the green here. You would never be able to visually find this spot unless you visually put something here to indicate it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going, and I have another one that I put down here because I have 2 places that I'm working with. There's one and there's the other one. And as you can see, I've already inserted this video here, which is totally different than this. And I'm going to insert a few videos here and the same after here. And then after that, I will delete the oranges. They're just a visual reference of where I'm grabbing the videos from and inserting them. So let's go down 40 minutes, along 40 minutes away. Now, as I'm scrolling, I already set myself up where to find that next video, because as you'll see, what I did was I also added another visual so I could find the clips that I'm looking for that I want to insert down there by the orange. So check it out. Keep watching, and we're looking for a yellow visual indicator, which is just a yellow color that I made another screenshot of and added it to my clips just like I did with the orange. See how long this is? How long it would take me to find this clip? This is, there we go. I saw yellow. There we go. That's another insert I put in there. And I put that insert in there so I could find at 39 minutes in, that's a long way in the video, where I want to grab these videos from. These are the videos I want to grab. Okay, so there's another indicator mark that will be deleted eventually, but for now, here's my next clip. I'm going to go ahead and grab this video, and we're going to scroll all along there until I find that first orange. See how hard this would be to find your place? See those black things? Those are my different segments. There's an orange, there's an orange. Okay, now I know it's going to be the second one in. So right there. Right there is where it's going to be inserted. Ready? I'm going to let go. There it is. So now here's that green part. Here's that green part, which you would have never found without that orange in the middle. And there we go. There's your orange. And there's your 2 inserted videos. Now I'm going to continue to my clips just like I did with the orange. See how long this is? How long it would take me to find this clip? This is, there we go. I saw yellow. There we go. And here's my next clip. So here we go. I'm going to add it. Adding it. And we're just looking for that first orange. and now it'll be after the yellow orange, the first yellow orange. Oh, there's the second one. So we're looking for the first one here. It's going to be the third clip in because I already added 2. You saw me add the 2. So there's the space right there, that black space. And we're just going to release it. And it should be added. There it is. There's my third clip. Orange. Clip. Clip. Clip.
Make sure you got it.
Back on the green.
Yeah.
We did it. So I hope you love my indicators, my little pro tip indicators of how to move your videos around in CapCut, either on your mobile phone or in PC. It works both ways. So thanks for watching. Hope you love the tip and trick for CapCut editing. See you in the next video.